I'm going to teach you how to use Notepad and HTML to insert an image. You can see on my left side of my screen, I've got an HTML document already partially written in Notepad. I've got my starting HTML tag, head, title, closing head tag, opening body tag, closing body tag, and closing HTML tag. On the right side, I've got my file folder. For this assignment, you should have a web page or web pages folder on your desktop. We're going to save all of our images and all of our HTML pages in the same folder. I can tell this is an HTML file because it has the Google Chrome icon next to it. These should be images because they have an image icon. We want to know with some certainty what those are. So if we go up to View and then click the File Name extension, it shows us the ending of those file names. So I have test01.html, coffee.jpg, and ggjq.jpg. So I know those are image files, and this is an HTML file. Okay, now that we have that, let's get to work. Quick reminder, it's View in your folder, View File Name extension. Okay, here we go. The code to insert an image is img space src, and then that needs to equal, with a double quote, the file that we want to show as our image. In this case, we're going to show coffee.jpg. So I'm going to write coffee.jpg, another double quote, and then another bracket. The image tag is one of the few tags that doesn't need a closing bracket. We are not going to do, nope. This should embed that image from here to show up on a web page if I save my file in the same folder the way we have this programmed. Let's find out. I'm going to go File, Save As, save it as coffee.html, and again, say file type as, all files, and save. See if that worked. There's my coffee.html, and there it is. Fantastic. Okay, let's put in one more image. Again, bracket, img space src equals double quote. I've got this file, ggjq.jpg, and I might make a typo if I type that, so I'm going to show you a shortcut. If I click that file, click it again, it's got most of it copied. If I do Control A for select all and Control C for copy, then I can come over to, after my equal double quote, and just Control V for control view, that in there, another double quote, and then I can put my bracket in. I'm going to change my image size. To do that, I'm going to add some code. Height equals, let's go, 25%. Could do pixels or percents. And then width equals 25%. Make sure you put those quotes around it. And then that closing bracket. This should shrink the image. File, save as. Already he's giving me some info, coffee.html. Remember, I have to save that in Notepad using all file types. Save. It's going to ask me if I want to overwrite. I sure do. And let's see how that turned out. So now we have our full-size image. That was the coffee.jpg. And this sort of squishy looking JGQY. Okay. That is going to be it for this lesson. Remember, this is easy. You can do it. And don't be afraid to hit the pause button.